Should we react or should we respond?
No rain.
This is Naren Conquering Communication with you all. Reaction as a word to me is basically being very externally focused. So if something happens in the outside environment, you impulsively take a decision and act accordingly, and that's a reaction. You act based on impulse of the external environment. Someone comes up and insults us. A normal reaction would be you get insulted, the external environment is of insult, and you immediately insult them back or say something rude, and just immediately impulsively act upon that external stimulus that came to you. Respond to me is more of an internal focus. Someone comes up to us and insults us. We first take that in. We go through the process of processing that information, and then we act out of will from the internal. You see the difference? So, can you be angry in reaction and in response? Yes, both are possible. But which is a better anger? Let's break it down with an example. Reaction happens when someone comes up to us, says something, and we get angry. Right then, right there, impulsively, without processing it and without making a conscious decision of anger. And that's a problem, because such anger is not calculated. You don't know when to stop, and most often than not, you go a little extra and go above and beyond and regret it later. A response is also when you can get angry. You can also get angry responsively, but the difference is it's a very conscious anger. You know that you're doing it consciously to address the situation externally and to fix it. You will only go to the level that it's needed and never go out of control. So that's the difference between being reactive and responsive. My personal pick is always responsive, because I believe in the power of taking information, processing it internally, and then taking a step. What do you pick? I hope this gives you a little bit of extra insight on response versus react and conducting communication in a better and empowered way. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.